कला अकादमीचे दुरुस्ती काम चालू आसा. खंयच्या तत्वांचेर हें काम एकाच खंयच्या एजन्सीक कशें दिलां तें स्पश्ट करचें. टेंडर काडी नासतना हें काम कशें दिलां म्हूण समाजसेवक अविनाश तवारिसाचो प्रश्न. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
But this complaint I'm filing in my personal capacity as someone who is passionate about the cultural heritage of Goa, cultural of Goa, and this is regarding Kala Academy. All of people of Goa must be knowing that there was a complaint filed few weeks back in the vigilance department, in the anti-corruption branch, and the complaint was closed because the anti-corruption branch of the vigilance does not deal with administrative lapses, sins of omission and commission, and violation of all the other rules. So this is why I have put a fresh complaint in the vigilance department. It's an 8-page complaint that has a list of detailed timeline of the entire events that took place. But there are many small issues, but the major issue is on what basis was the work awarded to this one particular agency. The government says this is a specialized agency, but the manual for while giving a tender it is the guidelines for procurement of works by Department of Expenditure, that is Ministry of Finance. It states that they have to give a detailed reason and justification as to why this works have been awarded without tender. In the file notings which are available now on the assembly website, it was asked in the LAQs, there is no justification given for appointing this particular agency. This agency had done one work which is specified in the minutes of the meeting. The works was of Goa Bhavan in Mumbai. If you see Goa Bhavan, I have asked people there, the work with the Goa Bhavan is shut. God knows whether it was complete. I had a tender document of Goa Bhavan. It was not specialized work. It was retrofitting, electrical, plumbing and some other small works. So this is not a specialized work. Any building contractor can do this work. And therefore, when this work was given to this particular agency, that is MS Tectonic Buildcon Private Limited, it was given maybe as a favor, as favoritism, or whether money or exchange, God knows, that is up to the investigating agency to find out. But one thing is for sure, it was not a specialized, it was not given as specialized work. The rule was used to bypass the tender process. And the second point what I mentioned here was because of the lack of proper audit, the lack of proper estimation, not just financial estimation, even technical and time estimation, and this haphazard way that this work was awarded. This work was supposed to be completed in 1 year, that is 1 year from May 2021. It is now August, end of August. So it's 3 months, it will continue for more than till now 3 months. There's a delay.